Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Pacetti. Today we're going to make a Thanksgiving turkey. Are you ready? Let's do it! For this activity, you will need the colored pages and the small baggie from In Your Weekly Bag. You will also need scissors and glue. If you have liquid glue, that would probably work better, but stick glue works as well. The first page we are going to work with is the orange page. Please find the orange page. Got mine right here. Now, here we have our turkey's orange feather and its beak, its mouth. So using our scissors, we are going to cut out the feather and the beak. So our thumb goes in the smaller circle and our next 2 to 3 fingers go in the back. Remember, we are opening and closing. Open, close, open, close. And remember, we're turning our paper and trying our best to keep our cutting hand straight. If your feather is not done, please pause the video. Now, I'm going to cut out the beak. What shape is our beak? Yes, that's a triangle. So I have my orange beak and my orange feather all ready to go. Now, I will cut the rest of my feathers. You cut yours as well. If you are still cutting out your colored feathers, please pause the video. For our next step, we are going to take out the brown cylinder from in our small bag. So that's this shape here. It's a cylinder. Go ahead and say that word, cylinder. And just to be safe, because our beak, our triangle is so teeny tiny, I'm going to put my beak into our bag for later. Save it now, right there. Now, we are going to start gluing on our feathers. So we're going to pick our middle feather first. You can pick any color. I think I am going to pick purple first. So for our middle feather, I'm going to put some glue on the bottom and middle of my feather. So just a dot is all we need. And then one in the middle. If you have stick glue, go ahead and put a circle of stick glue here and a circle of stick glue here. And we are going to push it on to our cylinder. All right. Might have to hold it on for a little bit. All right, let me check. Whoop, oh good, it's sticking. Now I think I'm going to put it flat on its back so it stays while I start gluing for my second feather. I'm going to pick green. So again, I'll do a little dot of glue. Ooh, I might need another glue soon. Dot of glue on the bottom and a dot of glue in the middle. And I'm going to put it next to my purple feather. There we go. Gluing it onto the bottom as well as our purple feather. Okay. Put it on its back so it dries. What color should I do next? I think I'm going to pick red. So, my red, I'll put my dot on the bottom. And a dot in the middle. And as I put it on, my bottom part of my feather is going to touch the rest of the feathers, and then the red one is going to kind of touch the purple one as well. And again, you don't have to pick the same colors as me. You can switch it up, whichever ones you like. Next, I think I'm gonna pick brown. All right, I put my dot on the bottom in the middle of my feather, and I'm gonna stick it next to my green so it goes behind. There we go. And I put it back on the table to dry. I think my next feather is going to be the blue one. Dot at the bottom, dot in the middle. Right behind my red, or whichever one you have there. And it's okay if you see I've got some glue on the outside. We're gonna let this dry for a while, so that's okay. All right, let it sit. I think I'm gonna pick yellow next. Glue dot at the bottom, glue dot in the middle. I'm gonna put it on my brown side here. There we go, and I put it flat. And my last color is, what is this color? Yes, it is orange. Dot at the bottom, dot in the middle. I'll put it by my blue. All right. Now, since all of my feathers are glued on, I'm gonna leave it flat here to dry and get out our googly eyes out of the bag. Now our googly eyes are stickers, so we should be able to pull them off, stick them right on. One googly eye, and then two googly eyes. Now our turkey has its feathers and its eyes, but it is missing its mouth. It needs its beak. So go ahead, take your orange triangle out of the bag, and let me put a dot of glue on for its mouth. Let's see, you can put yours like that, or I think I'm gonna make mine an upside down triangle, like that. Now, we want to make sure that we are leaving our turkey to dry flat like this. Once every glue spot is completely dried, then you can pick your turkey up and put him on display. I had so much fun making our turkey. I hope you had fun too. See you next time, boys and girls.